No, Mike, I think it's looking pretty good, and I think that's a great idea. Sometimes it just helps to get away from it all, take a little bit of time at the ocean. So we're going to get to your beach and boating forecast. Let's talk about what's going on now, and then we'll also take a look ahead toward the weekend. We have had a few showers out there this morning. Right now, we've got a little bit of rain moving through Indian River County, mainly inland Indian River County. I don't think that's going to make it to the coast. Then a couple little stray showers have been hanging out off the coast, disappearing quickly. You can see it there. Not even hanging around anymore. It's a warm morning in Okeechobee. You're waking up right now, I'd say at least 5 degrees warmer than you were yesterday morning at this time, which I know is not the best news for everyone still dealing with that loss of power. Upper 70s along the coast from Vero through Fort Pierce into Jupiter and West Palm Beach. We're going to warm up quickly. It's going to be another hot and humid day. Lower 80s by 9 a.m., mid 80s by 10 a.m., feeling like the mid 90s. Upper 80s by 11 o'clock. We start to see those showers developing by lunchtime, topping out in the lower 90s, and it is going to feel like the triple digits at the peak of the afternoon. I'd say from about lunchtime through at least 3 o'clock, we're looking at triple digit feels like temperatures. Vibercast shows that after lunchtime, we start to see those showers developing. By the afternoon, 1, 2, 3, 4 o'clock, we've got scattered rain around and a few storms, and then that starts to taper off as we head into the late afternoon and evening. Your beach forecast for today, I want you to be careful if you're doing some swimming. We do have a moderate risk of rip currents and lightning. Of course, that lightning risk goes up as we head into the afternoon. And then if you're doing any boating, there will be storms around for the afternoon, light chop on the inland waters. So I'd say get out there early before those storms do start to develop, or do it later this afternoon once they push well inland. So 50% chance of rain and storms today. That goes down on Friday and stays down on Saturday. I think Friday and Saturday are going to be pretty nice days. Now they are going to be hot, but if you were looking to get outside, maybe head to the beach, Friday through the weekend does look pretty good for it. Sunday is going to be a little bit breezier, maybe have a little bit more cloud cover, but still a great day. And the good news here is in case you're doing some yard cleanup, you need to get outside, rain chances remain low into next week.